Hello Tech Ninjas. Now, as we know, the internet is full of distractions. A Tech Ninja knows how to clear the noise and focus on the mission, reading. Open your side panel and select Reading Mode. Go down 3 dots, More Tools, Reading Mode. Look at that. The ads are gone and the text is clean and easy to read. You can make the text bigger. You can change the background color. You can even change the font. You can even widen the letters. There is lots you can do. And if you don't even want to read, you can select the text within the article on the left or in the reading mode, and then you can hear it.
Shrove Tuesday facts.
You can change the speed of the voice. You can change the style of the voice. So, make the reading mode work for you and get rid of all of the noise that is sometimes makes reading and researching hard to do.